In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the video site UGCVideo.ai. Now, the guys reached over to me, said I would like to try it, and I've been using this site now for a week or two, and wow, it's super fast, and the quality is really good. Now, check out the intro, and then I'll get back to you. So before we get into this video, I'm just going to show you the pricing. Really competitive pricing. Now, if you're into making a lot of videos, you want to go with one of these packages here, which gives you 100 credits a month for $24.50. Or if you're at scale and you want to be creating a lot of videos and characters, etc., you may be better off with one of these sort of packages as well. Have a look at that yourself. I'm going to leave a link down below. Use my link and you'll come directly to this site. But I'm just going to show you quickly how easy it is to make videos and other things that you can do on this platform. Now, if you're new to all this and you want to get into it, there is a community as well where you can get inspiration for any creations you want to take. There is lots of stuff on here. Again, have a stroll through it yourself and then take a look. If you want to just look at advertisements, there's all sorts of things on here. You know, you can recreate them as well if you need to. And people do create characters. So if you like some of these characters, you could use them yourself as well. First thing we can click on, we can start from an image and make a character ourselves. Describe a character, build one, and influencer generator. And then all these things are going to be left in your assets here, and then you can use them as well. Now, these are the things I've made so far, and these are some of the assets I've used to create these, which I've uploaded myself. And I'm going to show you quickly as well how easy it is to make this video in one tick. Let's just go through some of the other features. So we can do a UGC ad video. Again, you upload your own things and then add your own influencer or select from the library like I just said to you. You can even use a voiceover, so you can record it first, upload your voice, and then you're good to go, and it will sync the audio to the person you're using again. And if you want to make your own characters, let's go into here. And we can also have a look at templates as well. If you want to start off with a template, again, you are always best off having a look at all these things yourself in detail. I'm just going over things nice and quickly for you, but the results you can do are absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you that quickly as well now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of my adverts that I've already done, which was that Adidas advert you saw at the start, and we're going to recreate it. Now, it's as simple as this. We've got the prompt here to make the video, and this is the tracksuit top that we're using. So all we need to do is upload a reference image. I'm going to show you this from scratch, how easy it is. Upload reference image. Now we can either fetch a file from the internet, or we can just upload it from our desktop, and I've got it here. And then we click on save, and it's in there, good to go. Now we're going to use a character as well for this image, for this video, and I'm going to go to my assets, the ones I've uploaded, and we're going to use this person here for the advert. The model we're going to use, which we can either use C-Dance Fast, which is you want to do them a little bit quicker, but I think it's quick enough using C-Dance. Anyway, or we can use Cling. Now I like C-Dance, so I always use C-Dance for my generations. And then all we've got to do is we've got the prompt in, And then the first one is we're going to use that image 2 for the person, and then the image 1 for the outfit she's going to wear, which is the tracksuit top. And then we've got the description of what's going to happen in the video. It's going to come out similar to the one that I've already made. And then we go to here. If we want sound effects, we can have them on or off. And then the main part of it is the aspect ratio. Now, if you're using it for TikTok or Reels, that sort of thing, we want it on a 9:16 ratio. Or if you want it on the normal TV format, you'd go for the 16:9, or we can go for a 1:1, which is a square one, which is something I would never use. Now then we come down to the duration. We can start from a quick one all the way up to 15-second video with C dance. And then how many variations do you want? Do you want it to do 2 variations or 3, etc.? I'm just going to go for 1, because obviously the more variations you do, the more credits it will use. And we are good to go. We've got the output, we've got the 1080p, oh sorry, as well, the quality, 720p or 1080p. Just always go with 1080p, because if you look here, it doesn't change. It doesn't change the pricing. So 1080p, go for the highest quality. It's always the best option. So I'm going to click generate. And it's telling me here it's preparing. And it's going to be ready in around 4 minutes. Now, it's not just for creating adverts. I've been doing some, funny skits here as well, as you can see. And yeah, I mean, just the output quality is absolutely amazing. I've been blown away, and it is fast. Unlike some I've tried, you come back and you're still waiting 10 minutes later for the generation to finish. This one, it's got a really good process. Like I said, it is really fast. Let's have a quick look at some of the community stuff people have been making. They've been, there's loads you can go through. And if you want to recreate anything that's been uploaded on here, you can do. That looks really cool. Let me just have a quick look at that. I mean, look how realistic that looks. Mad. It is crazy mad what AI can do now. Let me just close that one. That's cool. So if you want to recreate these, you just click on recreate. All the prompts built in for you. What's this, a football one? Let's have a quick look at this. Wow. Advert for a drink. On theme at the moment. The World Cup's just finished. But the list is endless. Absolutely crazy.
The tuition costs that much? Are you sure you want to sell it? My sister's future comes first.
But yeah, let's just see how my generation is getting along. It's ready in 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and then come back to you when it is done. So my video is ready. So on average, they take 4 minutes to produce on the 1080p. Let's just have a quick look at what it's done for us. Consistency of the model is perfect. Slow motion shot up the stairs. Boom, we're done. Now that is as simple as it gets, and as you can see here, the quality is really good. Now if you want to create your own characters, we'd jump into the UGC image creator, and we can use either Nano Banana Pro, ChatGPT Image 2, or Nano Banana 2. Okay, so we're going to try one with Nano Banana, and then all we do is put a prompt in here of what we want, and then we change the output to 2K, and let's go with a widescreen, and it's 1 credit to make one image. Now if we want a couple of variants, 2 credits, let's go with 2. And as quick as that, your images are made. Now, like I said, I made 2, and we've got 2 created, and they do look pretty good. Let me just go and zoom in. But again, you need to try these sites out yourself. Links down below. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.